Our road UST technology, which translates to Universal System Tubeless. So it's a tubeless system. There's no tube at all, not necessary. One of the differences that we have with our product versus other products on the market is our tire is very easy to remove and install and inflate. You don't need tire levers. You don't need to take your wheel to a shop to have them remove the tire for you. You can do it by hand. There's a few techniques. So remove the air. You can see the line of the tire all the way around, and that shows you that the tire is seated into the rim. So you can pop that off. Now you see that the line is no longer visible. So you want to pop that off all the way around. And that allows the bead of the tire to drop down inside the center channel. Now you can already see that there's actually a lot of slack. Now you can easily remove the tire. So one of the reasons that this is so easy for us, we manufacture the rim, but then we control the manufacturer of the tire through Hutchison. They make all of our tires for us, as well as our sealant. And it's pretty simple. Just pull the tire over very easily. This is actually the first time I've removed this tire from this wheel, so it's fresh. And then you just do the reverse to install, one bead at a time. Drop the tire in, and then you want to finish at the valve stem, because the valve stem actually takes a little bit of space in that center channel. So you want to start opposite that toward the end. So again, I like to put a little pressure and make sure that the tire is not, see, you can see here that the tire has already started to seat itself very easily. So you want to remove that back down into the center channel. Again, just push it on. It's very simple. The inflation, you don't need a compressor, you don't need CO2. A floor pump will work fine, even a frame pump. You can see the line all the way around. Shows you that the tire has seated. No, there's no sealant, there's no soapy water, no compressor. Very simple. You can do it on the side of the road with a floor or a frame pump. Of course, you could use a CO2. This wheel is available now. These are the Cosmic Pro Carbon SL UST. They are $1,800.